Hi, my name is Sergio, and today I'm excited to share that we've released one of our most highly requested features. You can now have different no-show guard settings for specific clients, including the option to even block a client from booking online. For example, if you have a client that chronically no-shows, you can require that this specific client has to prepay for their appointment when booking online. Let's dive in and take a look to see how this works. First, we'll start off by going over to Setup and selecting the payment settings. Here, we can switch to the No-Show Guard tab. Just like before, you can set up a default no-show guard setting that will apply to all of your clients unless you have a specific setting for an individual. This includes asking for a credit card number, a deposit, or the full amount of the service. But let me show you what that looks like for a specific client. If we head over to Clients, we can search for and select the client in question. We can click on More Options and select the No-Show Guard setting. This will open up a pop-up that will give you a few options, including following the regular default no-show guard policy, which I've shown you before. Do not allow this client to book online, which means that when they try to book online, they'll see a message that says, sorry, we don't currently have any availability. Let me show you what that looks like. When the client tries to book an appointment, they'll select Returning Client and type in their email address. When they click Next, they'll see a message that says, sorry, we don't currently have any availability. Our other options will be to require this client to enter a credit card number, which means that the client will need to input a card to complete their booking, or you can require this client to prepay for their appointment, which of course will mean that they will need to prepay in full for any appointments that they choose to schedule. With this update, you have more control over no-shows and late cancellations. For clients that have no-showed too often, you can be more strict with your no-show guard settings with that specific client. And for clients that have given you trouble, you can now block that client from booking online. We hope this helps, but if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Our email is support@clinicsense.com. Have a good one. Bye-bye.